What? Where are you going? Don't go anywhere. I want to do something here for the camera. Hey everyone, BOOZHOO. This is Bagheera. This is my cat, Bagheera. How you doing, buddy? Hi. Bagheera, Gaja Gates is what we say in Ojibwe, but who cares? Bugs, what would you like to say to the lovely people out here in YouTube land? Hey, where are you going? I still dream of organ on, wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach when you and sleep escape me. You're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark, what made it special, made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every time it rains, the sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. The sun's coming out. Oh, And every time it rains, the sun's coming out. Well, it's 4:25 in the morning, and we've been up for a while. Mino Gigajabe. Good morning, Michael. Mino Gigajabe. Good morning. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. What should we talk about today?
I don't know. Did you want to teach an Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, I suppose I could. BOOZHOO. Hello. There. I taught an Ojibwe word.
You know, I've always thought that was probably a French word.
BOOZHOO?
Yeah.
You mean bonjour?
Yeah, or bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour. That's the Minnesota way of saying the French word BOOZHOO. Yeah, you know, you're probably right. Here's a story. Back in the days of the grandfathers, I was going to tell the story of the migration.
The Ojibwe migration?
Yeah, but now I'm thinking I don't want
You could tell the story of the Breakfast Club.
I could tell the story of the Breakfast Club. Back in the days of the grandfathers, I think they called it the 1980s. You know, 1985. There was these 5 kids who got in-school suspension. And it became the Breakfast Club. Hey, 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 hey! No. Ooh, whoa, whoa! Dunk, 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 dunk. Don't you forget about me. No. Well, here comes the fan, so let's just call that a show. Miigwech! And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa. Hoa. Hoa.